से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा, लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। ऐ वतन वतन ऐ माँ जननी, तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
A very good morning to everyone. We are here this morning to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. It was on this day, on 26th of January 1950, that our Indian Constitution came into force. It indeed is a very special day for our country. It's like a festival, as we know that there is a parade that goes on from the President's house on Rajpath, presided by the Honorable President of the country, where we have the Indian Army, military, Air Force, paramilitary forces, the schools marching, enjoying, celebrating, showing the power of the country, and the tableaus depicting the cultural heritage, the rich uniqueness that each state of our country carries. For us at GD Goenka, today is a very special day. And the reason is because we have our students in school. We've been able to resume physical classes for our students of secondary and senior secondary years. And there cannot be any pleasure greater than this. It indeed is a time where our hope is turning into reality and growing stronger. I am so happy to have you with us, children, on this day, because you are our hope of humanity. You are the future of this country. The value system in which you are being brought up, at home and in school, the country, the society, the world lays a lot of hope in you. It is for you to live by the values of our Indian democracy and constitution. Live it, model it, and be ready to lead the world. So, let us celebrate this day together and look forward to many such celebrations in the year 2021, after not being able to be with each other in this beautiful school for such a long time. So, here we are, children and dear parents, with a positive and a happy outlook towards 2021. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.
Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not broken up into fragments by narrow walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where the tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the desert sands of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into the ever widening thought and action, into the heavens of freedom. My father, let my country awake. Yes, this is how my India is, and I am so proud of being an Indian.
सारे जहां से अच्छा ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुली हैं इसकी ये गुलिस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का पर वो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का वो संतरी हमारा वो कास्बा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना हिंदी है हम वतन के हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा Constitution, it seems such a big word, but let me explain to you in simple word what it means. The Constitution is the law for all the Indians. It was written long ago for all the Indians. It gives people freedom and rights of equality, freedom of speech all across land. Now it's time to celebrate equality, the freedom. It's time to celebrate our Constitution Day. On 26th November 1949, the Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect from 26 January 1950. Since then we celebrate Republic Day on this date.
आओ तिरंगा फहराएं, आओ तिरंगा लहराएं, अपना गणतंत्र दिवस है आया, झूमे नाचे खुशी मनाएं, इसमें बताएं नियमों को अपने जीवन में अपनाएं, थाम एक दूसरे का हाथ आगे आगे कदम बढ़ाएं,
परेड निकाल कर दुनिया में अपना परचम फैलाएं। सैनिक अपने पुरजोश में सैन्य शक्ति दिखलाएं। उत्तर, दक्षिण, पूर्व, पश्चिम सब प्रदेशों के लोग अपनी सहायता को नित्य गीत से बतलाएं। भारत में गए साल क्या उपलब्धियां पाई, सारे विश्व के सामने सर ऊंचा कर जाई। आओ तिरंगा फहराएं, आओ तिरंगा लहराएं। अपना गणतंत्र दिवस आया, झूमे नाचे खुशी मनाएं। शिक्षित बनो, संगठित रहो, संघर्ष करो. You must be thinking what I am saying. This slogan and our Indian Constitution both have been given to us by none other than our great Indian leader Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. उन्हें बाबा साहेब के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. He was born on 14th April 1891 in a small village of Madhya Pradesh. People used to consider him as untouchable and he was discriminated in the society. That's why he suffered a lot. तो आइए उनसे ही उनके संघर्ष के बारे में जानते हैं. Namaste, मैं हूँ Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Apart from an economist and politician, I was a social worker as well, but it was not that easy for me as I belong to lower caste. आपको पता है कभी मुझे कुएं से पानी नहीं लेने दिया जाता था, तो कभी मुझे रिक्शे पर से ही उतार दिया जाता था. और तो और क्लास में सभी बच्चे बेंच पर बैठते थे, पर मैं नीचे बैठकर क्लास अटेंड करता था. But it's wrong. Yes, I know. But kind-hearted people also exist in this world. In my difficult times, King of Baroda helped me a lot. उन्होंने मुझे स्कॉलरशिप दी, जिससे मैंने विदेश में जाकर अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी की. मुश्किल समय में भी मैंने कभी हार नहीं मानी. I completed my higher education. It helped me to write Indian Constitution. Sir, you are so great. तो दोस्तों देखा आपने, चाहे कितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स आए हमें कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए, हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए. हार नहीं मानी कभी, हिम्मत से लिया काम. भारत का संविधान लिखा जिन्होंने डॉक्टर अंबेडकर है उनका नाम.
जब स्वस्थ रहेगा इंडिया तभी तो आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Like the soldiers of our armed forces always remain so fit and strong, the same way we also need to be fit. Fit India movement is a nationwide movement in India to encourage people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in their daily lives. It was launched by Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi at Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi, and in our school also we are integrating so many physical activities in our routine so that we all stay fit, for we believe that it is not a destination, it is a way of life. Yoga helps strengthen children's growing body and helps them improve their flexibility, which can reduce the chance of injury. First, I will show you Tadasana. You can also walk like this. Now I will show Dhanusasana. Running upwards of figure. Riding the bike improves physical fitness and mental health. Sports have many benefits for kids. It makes us healthy, strong, and active. It also teaches us several life skills. This year, India will be celebrating its 72nd Republic Day. The Republic Day Parade 2021 will however witness major changes due to the pandemic. It will not be that grand and fair as every year. For the first time in history of Republic Day, the parade will not culminate at the Red Fort. Rather, it will end at the National Stadium. The distance of the parade has been cut down to half to maintain social distancing between the marching contingents. The participants of the parade will be placed at a longer distance and will be wearing masks during the parade. The spectator strength has also been reduced and they will also be seated according to the social distancing protocols, but we are hopeful then that next year we will be back to the same grandeur as we are together and fighting. We will defeat the pandemic.
Morning, dear children, parents and my dear teachers. At the very outset, I wish each one of you a happy Republic Day. The dream of becoming an independent republic turned into reality on 26th January 1950 for India, 71 years ago. The constitution that came into effect on this day gave Indian citizens the power to govern themselves by choosing their own government. Today, our nation celebrates the Republic Day with pride and dignity. But does just celebrating this day on a grand scale mark the significance of the day? Not really. Our constitution has given us a few responsibilities along with a few rights. As both rights and duties come together, so we are expected to fulfill our duties as a citizen first before claiming our rights. When our nation celebrates the 72nd Republic Day, let us pledge to take part in nation building in our own small yet unique ways. It is highly inevitable for all of us to uphold our rich traditions and cherish our culture. As others are looking eagerly up to us, so dear children, let us be the ambassadors of our school and nation at large, who can spread the richness of our culture and values. To make this possible, we need to make a conscious effort. I can see, dear children, that you're getting ample opportunities at school, and I'm sure at home too, in this regard. Our dream is that each one of you grows up to be a person of integrity and becomes a true global citizen who will contribute immensely towards our country's further development and also the world peace at large. So how do we do this? As children, as school children, bring to fruition Gandhiji's and Ambedkar's dream of free and Republic India. It is very simple. Simply by doing what we are doing and doing it well, by striving for excellence in our learning as students, by taking every challenge as an opportunity for betterment, by dreaming the impossible dream, by walking our talk. So let's work towards creating this new India where we are able to lower the barriers and obstacles and use our creative and transformative educational experiences to ignite the spark of humanity and authenticity in each and everyone around us. Let's recharge that patriotic feeling of safeguarding our country's interest on this day, be it economic, social, cultural, or environmental, for a nation that is equipped with health, success, and happiness. My dear children, you have enough talent, creativity, determination, and confidence to achieve these goals. With courage, strength, and tenacity, you can do it. On this auspicious day, let us promise to do our best in our own small ways to uplift those who are in need. Let us together join hands and in solidarity work towards the fulfillment of this goal, a cleaner, brighter, and prosperous India, so that we could lift our heads and say with pride, Mera Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind.
लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। ऐ वतन वतन ऐ माँ जननी, तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम। जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम। जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम। जाग जाग हिंदुस्तां है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जाग जाग हिंदुस्तां है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जागा हिंदुस्तां, जागा हिंदुस्तां।
झुके तेरे आगे से, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे से, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे मातरम। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
मेरा भारत देश महान है, इसमें बसी मेरी जान है। मेरे कर्म को इसको सलाम है, मेरे देश से जुड़ा मेरा समान है। मेरा देश मेरा स्वाभिमान है, मेरा देश मेरा कर्तव्य मेरा